Hello, Ms. Beth here with your directions for today's class plan. Today we're going to be working, first of all, we're going to work on our warm-up. So you get your 10 points of the day. You're going to click on this activity. It's going to take you here. You're going to complete this activity. Once you complete the activity, you're going to have your score right here. Please have the score to be 60 so it can give you your 10 points. If it's not 60 and up, then I give you only 1 point. So you need to, work on this. Use your vocabulary. You have vocabulary, so you can do it. And then once you finish, you take your screenshot and you submit it right here. You're gonna have either a text entry box or a file upload, so you can put it there. It's gonna prompt you to go to this, but if you are required to put the username and you didn't record it, right here, put the information. After that, you're going to watch a video story, but I put the video story in this activity. You're gonna work on this video story today. It includes some of the vocabulary, and it's a video. You watch the video, you listen, you look at the images and all that, and you try to answer the activity the best you can. So this link right here is the video itself. Let's click it. So it has the video itself. But in the activity, I also put the video. So what you're gonna do, I divided the activity, the Google form, I divided it in sections. So you have 4 activities there. So you have activity 1, actividad 1, actividad 2, actividad 3, and actividad 4. That's 4 activities you need to complete. You complete your first part, you put your last name and your first name. Then you click the class that you belong to. Please be sure that if you are in seventh grade, A day, you click this one. If you are in 7th grade, B day, you click this one. Be sure that you click the right one. Okay, so you have to fill that before you can click next and go. And then you will go to the first section. So here says Actividad 1, and this is the video that you're gonna work with. You click on the video, you play the video, and then you have certain questions. So here you have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you have here 1, 2, 3, and 4 that are the options. You're going to say where these places are located in the map. So I'm gonna randomly just fill because it doesn't let me go if I don't fill. And then the people that are in the video. So you have the people, once you watch the video, you know what this is about. Right now, it wouldn't make much sense if you haven't watched the video. Once you complete your answers, and I just click randomly answers, you click next, and you go to Actividad 2. In this activity, the questions are different. You need to click on the arrow, and then you pick the one that you think is the correct answer for this based on what you watch on the video. I took pictures from the video, so you have some hints there that can help you to pick what is the right answer. But mainly, it's watching the video that you are going to get the right answer. Okay, once I fill this, I can go to the next one. And the next one is Actividad 3. Actividad 3 has 4 questions. And it is multiple choice. You just need to pick the right one according to what you watch in the video. Then you click next. Remember, I am randomly clicking. It's not the right answers, or maybe, but I don't know. I'm just randomly clicking on the first answer. Okay, and then the Actividad 4. Actividad 4, you had to complete this with whatever matches that beginning of the sentence. So you just write your answer right here, and then you write your answer right here, and then you write your answer right here, and then you write the answer right here. You need to use the vocabulary that is in the vocabulary that we are learning, the vocabulary list that we are learning. Do not use your Google Translator. Do not use words that you already know, and because you misspell them, then I just mark them wrong. Be careful with the spelling, spell them right. And remember, this is a little tricky because you say, says, a mí no me gusta ni. If I had ni there, that means that I had to put two choices. And if each one of you has ni before, you remember the video you watch of grammar activa, negatives, then you will remember this. All right, once you finish completing your form, you're going to click submit, and then we'll be done. You, you don't have to submit anything else in your plan. All you submit here is your screenshot for this activity, but you don't have to do anything else. Once you finish, I want you to check your Power School and check how your grades are, how they look like. If they look like something that you are like, oh yeah, that's what I did and that's what I want and I'm happy with that and I'm fine with that. Or you go and see you can submit something. Oh, you saw that Mrs. Bass made a mistake here. Maybe this is. Don't forget that you use late Google form to submit your late work. I don't want you to send me an email saying, well, I have here, 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 here. You need to fill up a Google form. I will find the Google form that you send and I will complete your grade. Then, what else I'm going to tell you? And if you are good with all that, then you just go to the Quizlet and next class you will have a project, but then the following class we're going to have a quiz on the activities that we're learning. New vocabulary is basically vocabulary, so I need you to go to this Quizlet and practice your vocabulary. That's all we're doing for today. I hope that you are connected today during class, so if you have any questions I can help you, and because you know that you have to connect to class. So I'll see you during class. Adios.